Hello and welcome to Stellaris University. In this video, we'll be talking about physical access control readers and doors and showing you how to connect them to XPressEntry. Now we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry and I have my handheld installed, you see on the right hand of my screen, and I'll be using a remote system to demonstrate a physical access control linked into XPressEntry. In this case, I'll be using Linnell. Now if you see on my screen, I have my physical access control on the right hand of my screen, and I have XPressEntry on the left hand of my screen here. Now, if you look on the access control, you see I have some doors and readers. In this case, you have door A entry and door A exit. I'll be using this for my test and for the demonstration. And the very first thing to do is to create a door. So in XPressEntry, you're going into add edit info, and you want to go into doors. This is doors. And the first thing to do in most cases is to create a door. Some access control systems would create a door for you, but in this case, a door is not created for you. So you have to create a door in XPressEntry and then tie it to a reader. So let's create a door. And since the reader is called door A entry and exit, let's just call this door A. Now remember that you must have a start and an end zone. In most cases, you want this to match to the start and end zone within the access control system itself. Now, if you look in here, I think our anti-passback area is not set, so we can just use any start and end zone in this case. So I'm going to say the start zone is oak outside, and the end zone is oak inside. Now, to tie XPressEntry into your access control reader, you have to use the external entry reader and external exit reader section of this door. So let us tie this into this external entry and exit reader, door A entry and door A exit. So my entry reader is door A entry and my exit reader is door A exit, and hit save. Now it's really as simple as this. The access control system would have given you a way to tie each user to that door or reader. In this case in Linnell, it's called an access level. I've already assigned this access level to a few readers so I can demonstrate how this works. Now let's go into the monitoring system and see how this goes. And I'll be looking on the right hand of my screen. Let's switch this handheld into the door A, and let us present a few cards. Now if you look in the middle of my screen, you see you have an access denied and access granted, depending on the access level that is assigned to the users within your access control. But if you look on the access control system itself, you see that that transaction is directly tied into the door A entry reader. And if on XPressEntry, if you just switch into exit, you will see an access granted or an access denied for an exit. And if you see on the access control, you can see that this is tied into the door A exit for each of these transactions. Now this is the demonstration of how you tie your access control system readers or doors into XPressEntry. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Stellaris.com for any technical queries or sales@Stellaris.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.